this is for any type of homeowner, guys, because I wanted to make my products as accessible as possible, whether you are renting, whether you are a student. Journey as well. Thank you so much for your support, especially on Instagram. I have a live audience on Instagram, guys. Do follow my page. It's really fun to interact with you guys and share ideas. You know, it's been a year, as I said, and I just wanted to give you guys an update basically on where are we, how we doing. I know there's a lot of people who come to me and actually ask on how I started the business, where I get my products and everything else like that. So I just want to clear up some of the things that I have been getting questions on. So firstly, let me just say, all my products are handmade by these hands, and I put a lot of love and effort and time into making these products. So I'm really happy that you guys are enjoying them. I get a lot of feedback from a lot of people saying, oh my gosh, like luxury for less, and that's what I want. That's what I'm aiming for, because I am actually producing a luxury brand, and for me, style, it's something that's personal to you. It's something that you treasure. You know, it doesn't have to specifically be about how much you paid for it. So the quality, which is why with my products, my diffusers, my candles, I don't skimp out on anything. I make sure I add an extra. If I put fragrance, I add an extra bit of fragrance to make sure that it's like, it smells really beautiful. So yeah, let's get into this business. So I just thought, you know, I'll show you guys my products and show you what's been going on, and just talk. You know, I haven't spoken to you in such a long time. So I hope you guys can see this, but this is basically, let me remove this. This is basically all of my products. If you all of my products put together, this is like a range of products in a way, like this. So this is everything that I have created so far. Remember when I started the business last year, guys, I made a video and I told you guys about my candles specifically. They weren't like this, they were a bit bigger and the logo was different. So I've worked on the logo first and foremost. I've really worked on the branding of the business and tried to really make it really luxurious, really good looking and really pleasing to the eye and really intriguing, and I think it really looks good. I have all these products. These are linen sprays you use on your curtains, your bed sheets, like room sprays and stuff. And this is a travel candle. I like how this looks. This holds in the scent, y'all. The minute you open this candle up, yeah, chill. And I have a diffuser which is really big and it's so affordable for the price. So I'm just gonna go over each product and kind of tell you guys what it is. Okay, let's start off with the very first ever candle produced by Design Your Space. This is a luxury scented candle and it smells really beautiful. It's vanilla and citronella. If you can just take a look, this is how my logo is right now. I hope you can see that. And it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. I love it. And yeah, it burns for a really long time, which I like. It's in a glass container, which I really like a lot. So I remember how I started with actually with this business. I didn't have a lot of money, but I knew what I wanted to do. I knew exactly what I wanted to do. We move on to another really outstanding product. Everyone is crying about this diffuser, guys. I make these myself and it has a gold lid. So you open this lid up like this and you pop the top. You put back the lid and you use these black sticks. So these are natural, these are non-harmful. Everything I use, guys, is non-harmful, non-toxic. I don't like toxic stuff, so it's all natural blends. And yeah, so this diffuser lasts you for about 3 months, guys. It's 200 rands. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think it looks really beautiful. And yeah, I'm really happy with what I have done with this so far. But you know, guys, with a business, it's always improving. But I'm working on improving my brand each and every day, my products each and every day. I'm loving how these smell gorgeous and they last a really long time. I actually have one over there. And then moving on, guys, let's see, we have this baby over here. So this is a linen spray. As I said, you use it on your bed, you use it on your curtains, you use it as a room mist. It's all up to you, guys, and it doesn't stain. So as you can see, it's clear as water. So I really love this. This smells amazing. I've had people buy it for their cars, buy it for their homes and everything, office space. This is amazing. This is my best-selling product right now because it's so convenient. You can carry it anywhere in your bag. You know, just whenever there's an awkward smell, you're like, psh, psh, and you keep quiet. You look the other way, and they're like, you know, guys. But anyways, so this is like a child and this is like a mother of the child. So I recently came up with this idea because a lot of people were buying these and I thought, why not have a bigger one, you know, for your home. If you want to travel with this, you can have this bigger one. So this is a bigger linen spray, if you can just have a look, and I have like a little bow for that luxury tint, you know. So this is really gorgeous. I really love it. This is how they look. This is 100 mils. This is 50 mils. And I normally sell these for 50 rand and these for 85 rand. So my prices are really not that expensive. They're not expensive at all because you can stock up on these products. They're really expensive when you go to like other shops. Come to me, guys. I really love my products, guys. I will not lie to you. I'm the first advocate for my products. I use them in the house, everywhere. If you can come to my house, there's like diffusers everywhere in this house. There's I use my own products. I love them. So they are amazing. As I keep saying to you guys, I always try to make an improvement and see how well can I improve this product. And I also need your help because I can't do it by myself. I'm doing this for you. Of course, I want you as a customer to be satisfied. So I am doing it for you. So I need your input, and I'm really excited about this year because a lot of you guys have actually started talking to me and asking questions, and you know, communication, guys. I love that because this is all for you. I'm building a brand that's gonna meet the needs of the ordinary homeowner, you know. Okay, now we come to this one. This is a travel candle, and let me pop this open. So this is a travel candle, and this is how it looks. I tried with the bone, but it didn't fit. It was a small ribbon, so like, I'm sorry. But it still looks good. It smells even better. Guys, let me plug you up. Okay, so this is a vintage gardenia, and these are 350 ml. 350 grams. So these, I sell them for 55 rand. These are very nice because the smell actually is enclosed inside. So whenever you finish burning your candle, you just close it again and you put it away. And it's the reason why I say it's a travel candle, because if you like burning candles like on vacation, on like if you went to visit your boyfriend's house or your girlfriend's house, whoever, because I do have male customers that actually do love my candles and do love the diffusers and car sprays and linen sprays. So if you are that guy, hey, get yourself one of these so you can just, you know, put it in your bag, travel bag, and whenever you go, you just pop it up, you just light it up. And then I use these black natural reed sticks. These are really nice. I think they add on to the elegance that I'm going for with my brand. So I'm really excited about everything that's happening. Yeah, and there's another thing that I wanted to clear out as well with in regards to purchasing the products. Please note that there is a delivery fee for each and every product. Unless it's on special or it's free delivery. So I use Postnet to deliver all my products, and the charge is 99 rand. I have delivered Cape Town, I have delivered PE, so you know, I will make sure that your products do get to you. So if maybe that's what you worried about, or that's what other people worry about, but please note that there is a delivery fee involved in addition to whatever you purchase, in addition to whatever amount of money that you already used to purchase these products. Unless you live next door, then I'll just come by and say, hey, you know. But if you don't live next door, I'm sorry guys, I have to charge. And I don't make anything out of that, you know, I don't make anything out of that. Yeah, so everything is on my bio in my Instagram page, so please go and check it out and check out the different types of product that you would like, and let's do business, guys. You know, this is for any type of homeowner, guys, because I wanted to make my products as accessible as possible. It's for everyone basically, whether you are renting, whether you are a student, whether you are anyway, any space, just any space. Like it's really fun working with scent. And as I said to you guys, I like these products and everything that I'm doing with Designer Space is actually inspired by my home. You know, I love a clean home, I love home decor, as you know, so I always love to explore and be adventurous with everything that I do. So it's quite a journey and I'm learning quite a lot. It's funny how I'm also learning about myself. I'm also learning about what I'm capable of, what I can do. You know, when I'm bringing in that fire and I know this is what I can do, you know, so I'm bringing the boss out. So that's really exciting. I think everyone, at least, you know, in their lives should try running a business, should try you know, starting something of their own. Really grateful for the opportunity that I'm also one of those manufacturers of a product that people love. It's blessings, you know, it's beyond my imagination actually. So I'm really grateful and blessed for that. So I thank you guys for always supporting my business and always being there, you know, and always liking that photo and responding to that comment. It really helps me a lot because it shows that the business is alive. So I really thank you for that. Please keep doing that. Yeah, man, and I'll keep bringing you more. And as I keep saying, I keep smiling. I'll keep bringing you more of Design Your Space. So yeah, so we can keep living life to the fullest, you know. What I stand by is live life to your fullest, you know. It doesn't matter what happens, but it's how you respond to it. So whatever happens is how you respond to it. I mean, this business basically was a response for me personally, because as I mentioned to you guys, in 2017 I lost my job, so I was retrenched, and I was in a position where I was asking myself, where to now, you know. I'm trying to find a job, there isn't any, you know. I'm applying everywhere, and I got so frustrated that I was like, you know what, I have some skills and I need to utilize them for me, you know. And once I started that process, everything became easy and everything just flowed, you know. Everything just became second nature because I allowed myself to get into a space of me, you know, not being pushed by a situation. So I didn't look at a situation, I actually responded to it. I didn't react to the situation. Yeah, that's the word I wanted. I didn't react, I actually responded by saying, you know what, I have skills, let me utilize the skills that I have and see how they can bring me an income or bring me, you know, a resolution to what is happening right now. And so yeah, guys, it's just motivation from me to you. Believe in your dreams, guys. Believe in your dreams. There's nothing as wonderful as something that comes naturally from you. And believe that. When I was a business consultant, I always used to say, if you have an idea right now and you're thinking of a business or something that you want to do, know that it comes from God, because anyone else could have been thinking it in the whole world and started doing it, but no one else is thinking about it. You are. So that means it's your seed. You need to plant that seed, bruh. So if you have an idea, I say it once more, if you have an idea, believe that God gave you that idea and He already has given you all the potential and abilities to do justice to that idea. So put in that work, girl, and make it happen. That's it, you know. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate your support and I love you. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to Design Your Space by Thando. And guys, we are family. I love you. I'm glad I'm back with wonderful content, and my personal page is Thando Mpama. That's it. So please do follow me. Let's become friends. Let's communicate. Yeah, man. So I love seeing you guys again. I hope you're having a great day and have a great life, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.